Hi everyone, welcome back to today's table topic practice video. And the table topic for today is okay. The table topic for today is: would you rather lose all of your old memories or never be able to make new one? Would you rather lose all of your old memories or never be able to make new ones? Okay. Would I prefer would I prefer losing all the old memories that I have, or would lose the ability to create new memories? It's a pretty interesting question to think about, and uh, it's very difficult to choose one of them. So, what I would lay out my perspective is if I have to prefer, if I have to choose only one of them, then maybe I would be more inclined towards uh, losing all the old memories. It's a very different take. Most people would not choose this. But why I would choose it? Uh, because that most of the lovable memories that I have, that is from the age when I was a child. Right, I do not have very fond memories from being from teenage age or becoming adult. Recently, I've been married. So if I would lose the ability to make new memories, then it would be very difficult, right? I feel that there are a lot of years. Right now, I'm 30 year old, and now if I feel like 40 years are still pending, 40, 50 years, and those are the that is the time I feel I'm intelligent, I'm wise than ever, and so I can decide like what kind of memories I want to make. So that gives me opportunity to decide, and that's the most beautiful thing about that. I see that creating new memories, that I can decide what kind of memories I would want. So that's my thought about it. Thank you. Over to you.